after 20 hours trying to break free. A guillemot chick's first view of the world is this. 1,000 feet up. It's like peering off the top of the Empire State Building. But in just 3 weeks, it will be time to leave the nest. And this chick will face a life or death decision. Her bond with her parents is already strong. It started long before she even hatched. Responding to her first gentle calls, her parents talk to her inside the egg. These early conversations ensure the newborn already recognizes and trusts Mum and Dad. Her parents work tirelessly to feed her up in preparation for the journey ahead. But as the weeks pass, it gets harder to satisfy her growing appetite. And now this cliff-top home that protected her has been discovered by ravens. Predators kill up to 70% of chicks, and parents are almost defenseless against the threat. This time, the chick gets lucky, but she needs to leave before the ravens return. Her father encourages her to jump. It's a vertical drop of more than 100 stories. But trusting him completely, the chick takes a leap of faith. The chick's flapping seems futile, but it's just enough to slow her down and steer her away from the jagged rocks. Now out at sea, Dad can lead her to food.